If you're interested in eating healthier and you're scared of death like me, I highly recommend this book called The Okinawa Diet Plan. It's written by healthy aging experts with MDs and PhDs in fields related to gerontology and medicine. And the book mostly covers the science behind healthy aging through diet and the principles of the Okinawan diet that may explain why Okinawa, Japan is home to the longest lived population. One of the factors that influences the healthy aging of the Okinawan population is their common diet. There's a saying in Okinawa called harahachibu. It means stop filling your stomach when you're 80% full. It's a common habit practiced by many Okinawans, and it's a good habit for everyone to adopt in general because the stomach actually lets the brain knows that it's full around 20 minutes after it's physically full, and overeating tends to lead to many health problems like acid reflux and many heart diseases. One of the ways you can practice the Okinawan diet and harahachibu is to practice the spirit of kuten gwa. Kuten gwa means little portion. The portion sizes in Okinawa tend to be smaller than the portion sizes in the States. This is an excerpt from page 124 of the Okinawa Diet Plan. The Okinawan elders' diet is filled with all kinds of antioxidant-rich vegetables, grains, flavonoid-rich soy products, fruit, omega-3 rich fish, and minimal meat and dairy products. Additionally, the Okinawan diet consists of a lot of water-rich foods. You can incorporate more water-rich foods into your diet by steaming your vegetables to retain the water content, replacing processed carbs with stews. Another way to incorporate more water-rich foods into your diet is to practice eating soup before every meal. For many Japanese people, it is very common to eat miso soup before every meal. The common cooking methods of the Okinawans are healthy as well. Some of their cooking methods include chanpuru, which involves stir-frying with herbs, spices, and a little oil. Nbushi, which involves simmering and seasoning with miso. And irichi, which is a combination of simmering and stir-frying with water, a little oil, bonito dashi, soy sauce, and or mirin. Here are some of the superfoods of the Okinawan diet. Are you already following the Okinawan diet, or are you planning to follow the Okinawan diet? What are some of your favorite superfoods of the Okinawan diet? Leave a comment below to let me know. I love to hear your thoughts, and I really thank you for watching this video.